Hello, welcome to Homesteading Northwest Florida. It is Thursday, March 13th at 2:18 in the afternoon, and we've got, what do we have here? 75 degrees on our temperature. And I'm hoping that there's no more evenings under 40 degrees. Last night was 40 something, and I did have to cover a few plants, not the lettuce. They don't mind that. But I had to cover my tomatoes and mandevilla and bougainvillea, so had to do that. But anyhow, it's a beautiful day today, and it's been so nice. It's time to cut the grass. I got a lot of weeds growing. This is a spiderwort. I did have some black bamboo here. And we got some lettuce growing here. This is the red fire lettuce in this pot. These two pots are apple trees, so that doesn't really, they won't be sprouting from the seeds. Graceful bamboo is doing all right, and we do have some beautiful happenings of Wisteria. March 13th, Wisteria. And I showed you the progression with these, some beautiful flowers that if we would get a little bit of rain, we'd really have it made. But that's okay if it takes them a long time to come out. Oh, we got some here. It's like a panicle of purple flowers, just completely gorgeous. And I did move this plant from in the woods, but just a beautiful flower. And let's see here, my air rooting seems to be doing okay on my tropical gardenia, because yes, we had about 5 days ago, we had about 4 inches of rain in one day, so everything got pretty well watered. And here's my other cuttings. They seem to be still alive, although this one with the largest leaf of the copper top viburnum is not liking it. So I should really cut that leaf off, because the less, I do miss them though from time to time for the cuttings. And yep, the lettuce is just fine. I think I watered it this morning. Although the green lettuce does not seem to like the heat. I think that's why that's happening. So we are harvesting it. And I'm also trying to figure out how to wash completely my salad spinner that I got here from my mother. So yeah, I'm figuring out how to wash that completely. Even the inside. Because I did let it sit in my dusty house. And we're almost done with wood stove season, and we're on to gardening season here. Move these bricks. Daffodils are all out here. Let's see here, we do have some bulbs coming up. I found this lily bulb when I was trying to plant my mum, and I did move it. And we also have Texas bluebonnet seeds that I stratified. So those are the only lupines that grow. Here's another wisteria. It's beautiful. And yep, so we got to cut the weeds. Not even really grass in most areas. Someday maybe. I keep on cutting it. So anyhow, we're working on our compost pile here. And this is like a bulb grass of some sort. Never grew a flower. Not growing a flower. Don't know what it is. Kind of stupid. I don't know, wouldn't mind if it wasn't here. So then I could focus on the real bulbs. Ooh, the, what's this called? The, crepe myrtle. Oh no, this is the yellow other tree, golden chain tree, I think. And I think that just came up from seeds, and I was very surprised. The Jane Magnolia is almost done with its blooming. And we've got a lot of bamboo action going on back here with the Moso giant timber bamboo. Oh, we got some big birds. I think those are hawks. Good. Got some rats. And I've been mowing more around my vehicles to prevent any rodent infestation, but they only kind of do that when the weather's cold or rainy, and so I've been around back here more. I have some lilies coming up and a lot of bamboo. And anyhow, here we are clearing out our compost pile to start a new one. So I'm getting all the roots out of here and all the soil. It's kind of a job, but I'd like to start with a clean slate here making soil. You know, here's all of it. Piles and piles of roots I've cut out of here, and we're going to start with a fresh. That's basically what you got to do, is chop the roots out and start a fresh compost pile. I think I'm going to put loads of cardboard at the bottom. I already got it saved up here to maybe stop the roots. And then we're going to start loading with our, because the weeds basically steal your nitrogen. You know, I have been leaving some, it's like a native blackberry that gives you a nice fruit here. Oh, here's a couple that were really berries, are turning into berries. And I think by the end of March, I got a nice blackberry harvest. And they're all around here, but you don't want to let them get too out of control because the whole place would be filled. And they have a very, you can't pull them unless you're wearing like double gloves. They're very thorny. So we have thorny wild blackberries, and they're really a mess.